traditional. Stick it in like a pocket.
And stuff it all in there.
Damn, we just put
Oh,
the whole lot.
we need to empty it.
Whoa.
That's how it's supposed to be.
You need some help? That is raw ground pork. What's it called in German?
Met Hackfleisch.
Mit Hackfleisch. Raw. I have a regular sandwich with regular stuff in it.
So
Alright, MuzzleBug, this is traditional. You got raw pork in a roll. You got a raw onion. This is traditional German construction food. And then you're gonna wash it down with a beer.
They don't even have a table, it's overrated.
Like a man's man.
I'm gonna break them parts off in the middle there and on the outside, get some of that in there. We lost you, friend. Sorry about that.
Onion down.
good onion.
It does look good, yeah. I agree.
Your face doesn't look so confident. And drum roll. What's the verdict? Yeah?
You wouldn't know it's raw.
No?
It's just the mind. Nah, onion is really good.
Yeah, I like it when it's fine
Like,
cut. It's nicer.
Like that's fruit. Like, that's really nice.